I didn't think we needed anything for our slide out. It was always felt fine at first. This came in for us to try, and once we started paying attention, we noticed a little sag and some bounce when you'd walk through that area. It wasn't terrible, but it was enough where stuff on the table wouldn't sit quite right, and you could feel the movement. Once we put these under the side, that's when we really clicked. The whole thing just felt more solid right away. No more bounce when you step in that section, and everything stays level like it should. It's one of those things you didn't realize is an issue until it's gone. Setup was simple too. You could adjust them by hand or run them up with a drill, which is what we did in the video. And it takes almost no time to get them in place. They've got enough adjustment where you didn't have to mess with blocks or anything else. Just set them where you need them and you're done. At this point, it's something I'll use every time we set up because it just makes camper feel more stable overall. If you got any movement or sag in your slide out, this is a really easy fix that makes a noticeable difference.